Hello, everyone, and welcome to the live pitching sessions of the last day of Code versus COVID-19. And I already have a few team members here in line to pitch their ideas, so we get a feel of what they've been working on in the past few days. Okay, thanks so much. So we go to our next team member. It's Nicolas Uver. I'm going to add you. Hi, Nicolas.
Hi. Can you also add Parabakan? He is in the waiting room and a member of my team.
Yeah. Hello. Hi.
So first of all, how was it for you? How many were you on the team?
How many people? We are 30 now. We are 30 from many countries. It was a tired weekend because we worked very hardly to deploy our website on multiple countries. So we are happy for the job that we've done during the weekend.
That sounds good. So I will let the floor to you to hear what exactly you were working on.
Okay, so our app is a COVID self-report system. So the idea is to allow people to report their health status by themselves from a browser, from a device. Every device connected to the network can do it. The idea is to provide this self-report status because there is a need. The need that we identify is that the official tests are expensive, so not worldwide available. We are currently testing a low percentage of the population, so we don't really know what is the current situation of the pandemic around the world. And we want to allow governments to take the appropriate action locally. So that's why we set up this website where people can report. And this is the localization is based on the postcode of people. Then we have a very fine granularity of the location of the epidemic. I will show you later how it looks, but it's very cool.
Yeah. Can you share your screen, Nicolas?
Yeah, I share my screen. Did you see my screen? Yeah, you see my screen. Okay. So this is the dev post page that we launch. I will show you how the form is how the website is working after. So just one word about the story of this project. So we started 8 days ago with 3 people from Switzerland. We published the website for Switzerland, and it became an open source app during the weekend. We have done a huge work to be able to deploy very easily this web app for every country. So we are currently looking for people that can handle teams for countries. We only need 3 or 4 people per team to run our app instance by country. So we have made the choice to deploy our app by country and let the team by country manage the deployment. So now we are 30 people, 3 countries are deployed. So we have Switzerland, Mexico, and India, and we have 12 language translation. We are currently getting Chinese also, and we are trying to do the press release for this afternoon. So it's a project that creates a huge momentum, and we are very happy with that. So I will show you how it works.
Okay, great.
This is the website. Sorry, So this is the website for Switzerland. So you start I will reload the page. Sorry, that's not the good one. Okay, so this is the staging, but what else? So you start by putting your status. So if you are healthy, we ask you, did you already recovered from COVID, or did you contract it, or if you don't know, and your postal code. If you are sick, it's different. You have to put some symptoms, and you have to say if you contract the COVID. If you probably, meaning you don't have an official test, and if it's official, we have a pop-up that asks you to confirm that it's an official test. And then you put your postal code and you send. That's it. It's completely anonymous form, and this is very important to keep that in mind, because a lot of countries are very sensitive to this. And we provide then after that a visualization. I will show you for Switzerland the current visualization of the website. So you can see here, like close to my house, there is some case apparently, and we can also see if other people are. So this is the people who are healthy, this is the people who recovered, and this is a very fine tuning in terms of geolocalization. The idea at the end is to provide to the government the way to act locally. So if, for example, in a certain town there is a certain percentage of people that recovered, then maybe they can back to work. So and yeah.
Can you click one of those pop menus so we can show the details? Yeah.
Yeah. So you see the postcode actually, and the number of people that report healthy, COVID probable, COVID tested, and so on. So that's it about the site. We have different languages that are available in the staging. We have already Latvian, even a language that I didn't know before the weekend, and that's crazy actually. So I will let the Parabakan to speak about the perspective that he sees for the project.
Thank you, Nicolas. So thank you for having us here. This is my first hackathon, and I was really motivated, and I didn't really imagine that we could work this hard. For example, last night we had a call with 4 people at midnight 1:20. That was unimaginable that we were working so hard. So the point was, I got interested with this idea. I want to extend the support for India, because right now India is in lockdown and people are not aware of what's happening out because there are, the developing countries don't have much testing capacity right now, or it's difficult to have testing for everyone. So with this platform, we would like to give the power to the people so that they can put the data about about their health status, so that then as a mass, they could all get this good information so that they can make informed decisions. So as we all can imagine, this will not be the last virus that is threatening humanity. So with our platform, we would like to have this in the future vision to have to tackle further diseases, but before even this kind of emergency happens, so that we know that people are already getting sick in some parts of the world, so government can take quicker actions. This is one of the future goals, and I would like to thank also our sponsors for the hackathon, and also Google Cloud for giving us some credits. So it's really helpful, because in the beginning it was developed for Switzerland. So when I first talked to Nicolas, he said you should be careful, because it's not developed for India traffic. And then as they immediately scaled it up, and we moved it to Google Cloud with a serverless architecture. And right now everything is quite scalable, but we are just looking for if the traffic goes really high, maybe we need some funding. And overall, I'm very happy joining this team, and I learned a lot.
Yeah, you learn a lot.
Yes, and we think this can be even extended to have a good supply chain. For example, right now, India did not plan 100% good to have a full shutdown or lockdown. Therefore, some people are not able to get food or the basic necessity supplies, because some people just live with day-to-day thing that they do. They may earn money per day, and then they use the money the next day. When everything is closed, then we have this kind of problems. So I think with this approach, people and the government can do much more informed decisions. Yeah, thank you for having us. That's it. That's all I wanted to say.
Thank you so much. Maybe if you can stay on, because we have one question from the audience. Nicolas and sorry,
Prabhakaran, but shortly Prabha would be good. Yeah.
How do you make sure the data is accurate, and how to prevent misuse? Like if someone develops some script and makes thousands of fake reports, maybe you can quickly say something.
Yeah, of course, a good question. So the accuracy, well, it's based on the code review, and the calculation that we are doing on the backend are always possible to restart, and if there is some mistake, we can always correct it. In terms of security, we have set up a different approach for security and also user identification. So as it is anonymous, we keep a track of the user by browser. So the important thing is that people are reporting always with the same device. Then we can identify them by this way. And for to prevent attacks, we have a different mechanism in place, such as CAPTCHA and so others security in place. I can talk in details, but not maybe in YouTube.
Yeah, maybe you can get in touch with the person. It's in the YouTube chat.
Sorry?
Otherwise, maybe that person can get in touch with you guys. Or
yeah, sure.
Yeah.
What I want to say, just to finish the pitch, we have designed this app to be very scalable and duplicable everywhere in the world. So we are looking for developers to join the team. So you can just go to our website, follow the link to GitHub, then you will have a welcome pipeline to follow the procedure. You can go and you will be added to the correct Slack and GitHub team, and then you can start to work.
Okay, great. Are you planning to extend to France?
So France, it's not a plan now. I guess in the pipeline we have Poland, Italy, Pakistan, and Israel, but I'm not sure anymore what is the status now.
We need volunteers.
We need a lot of volunteers, and we have a lot of stuff to produce a nice documentation to help the team to set up the app very quickly.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
And we are looking for financial support.
Yeah, to run our hosting.
Yeah.
Good. Thanks so much. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.